Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Blackstone 1554 Griddle Grill. Take outdoor cooking to new levels with this Blackstone. It offers the traditional taste of barbecuing so you can enjoy your favorite foods. This grill is simple to use and easy to assemble, so you'll be cooking in no time. Eliminate the hassle of kerosene, charcoal and matches. This grill includes an easy start, battery-powered push-button ignition. With a simple push of a button, your griddle is ready to go. Take the headache away from outdoor cooking and spend more time enjoying the outdoors. There are 4 adjustable heat zones, makes for a versatile cooking surface where you can cook several foods at once and not burn a thing. Also allowing the option to keep certain foods warm while others cook. When cooking on this flat top, not only do you retain all the flavor and juices in your food, but you can still get that sought-after crisp wherever preferred. For details, let's watch more. Number 2 in this best griddle grill list is Cuisinart CGG 888 Griddle Grill. Experience 360-degree of griddle cooking versatility. Whether you are cooking for a small crowd or a large party, the Cuisinart 360-degree griddle cooking center will amaze any audience. Breakfast, lunch and dinner, the 22-inch diameter cooking center can handle it all. It features a 360 degrees grease pan and rear grease cup, making for easy access and cleanup. The cooking center comes with a quick access paper towel holder. It also includes a stainless steel lid with an integrated vent, enhancing the features of a normal griddle. This lid creates versatility to steam, roast, smoke or warm. From eggs and pancakes to burgers or stir-fry, the Cuisinart 360 degrees griddle cooking center gives you the ability to explore your culinary creativity. Let's watch more. Our third pick is Blackstone Griddle Grill. This Blackstone grill is built to last with a powder-coated black steel frame, stainless steel burners, and thick cold-rolled steel cooktop. This grill is simple to use and easy to assemble, so you'll be cooking in no time. Eliminate the hassle of kerosene, charcoal, and matches. This grill includes an easy start, battery-powered push-button ignition. There are 4 adjustable heat zones, makes for a versatile cooking surface where you can cook several foods at once and not burn a thing, also allowing the option to keep certain foods warm while others cook. It's often thought that standard grills and barbecues make the best hamburgers. Blackstone believes just the opposite, and once you use a Blackstone griddle, you will be a believer from your first bite. Fourth pick in our best griddle grill list is Royal Gourmet GD 401 Griddle Grill. This premium 4-burner folding gas grill and griddle delivers 2-in-1 feature. With a user-friendly design, the assembly work is minimized and can be done in 15 minutes. The combo provides a total of 584 square inches cooking area. Featuring 4 powerful burners, the combo delivers 48,000 BTUs output in total. The automatic ignition system offers fast and even heating. Grill accessories hung on the hooks at the lower bar are always handy for use. This combo sits on 4 lockable casters that provide easy moving feature. Don't hesitate. Package GD 401 into your car and go for a Sunday camping with family or friends. Automatic ignition system delivers fast and easy startup with 4 big knobs on the stainless steel control panel. Last in this list is Royal Gourmet GB 8000 Grill. Grilling is always a great event. Royal Gourmet GB 8000 will give you fantastic support. There's no event that you can't reach, be it a picnic, tailgate party, or poolside feast. This versatile grill features a heavy-duty, capacity storage space cart with caster wheels, plus large metal side shelf with fold-down function. 2 gas systems support total 104,000 BTUs of grilling power over 950 square inches of cooking surface. This liquid propane grill is primed for even the biggest parties and can handle more than 60 burgers at once. Built with a porcelain-coated steel wire grill grates and stainless steel tube burners. 2 draw-out grease drip pan which are easy to clean. Thicken and bold frame design for increased stability and durability, standing up to weather and the elements.